Our solar system is one of over 500 known solar systems in the entire Milky Way galaxy. We call it the solar system because everything in it is centered around the sun. The solar system came into being about 4.5 billion years ago when a cloud of interstellar gas and dust collapsed, resulting in a solar nebula, a swirling disk of material that collided to form the solar system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way Orion star cluster. Only 50% of stars in the galaxy host planetary system, and one of those stars is our own sun. Revolving around the sun are 8 planets. The planets are divided into 2 categories based on their composition: terrestrial and Jovian. Terrestrial planets including Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are primarily made of rocky materials. Their surfaces are solid. They don't have ring systems. They have very few or no moons, and they are relatively small. The smallest and closest to the Sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet with temperature of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. It is also known as the red planet, morning star, and evening star. Next to this red planet is the blue planet, Earth. The water system on this planet helped to create the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. The last of the terrestrial planets, Mars, might have also supported life about 3.7 billion years ago, when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Beyond the 4 terrestrial planets of the inner solar system lies the Jovian planets of the outer solar system. The Jovian planets include gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, and the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. All 4 Jovian planets have multiple moons, support ring system, have no solid surface, and are immense. The largest Jovian is also the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Nearby is Saturn, the solar system's second largest planet. Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. The Uranus is famous for rotating on the side. The outermost planet in the solar system, Neptune, is also the coldest one. Orbiting the terrestrial planets is the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rocky objects full of remnants from the solar system formation. From microscopic dust particle to the largest known object, the dwarf planet Ceres. Another disk of space debris lies much further out and orbits the Jovian planets, the icy Kuiper belt. Apart from asteroids, the Kuiper belt is also home to dwarf planets such as Pluto and is the birthplace of many comets. Beyond the Kuiper belt is the Oort cloud, a vast spherical collection of icy debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system, since that is where the gravitational and physical influence of the sun ends. Our solar system's particular configuration of planets and other celestial objects, all revolving around a life-giving star, make it a very special place to call home.
So, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.